You see that hairline? Like, this is giving back in the day hairline. This is what butter laces used to look like.
You can keep it moving if you wanna. Take a number out your phone if you're gonna. I ain't even gonna strip, I ain't mad. I know how to act. You won't even catch me talking trash. I could get it poppin' if you want it. Have you looking over shoulders real haunted? But I'd really rather take a step back. Time's moving fast and it's already healing my scratch. People make time for what they want.
Welcome to my channel. So my name is Keymee K. Let's go ahead and get into this wig review. Okay, so this is going to be Sensational's Butta Lace unit. It is going to be the Butta unit 26 in the color number 2. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. Make sure if this is your first time to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Okay, don't be watching this video without clicking that subscribe button, because what are you doing? What are you doing? We slay synthetic and human hair over here all day, every day, okay? So go ahead and click that subscribe button, and let's go ahead and get this open because I'm so excited. I love Butta Lace units. So this is gonna be the stock card up close. So it is Butta unit number 26. I did get the color number 2. The model she is wearing a beige chocolate, which is so pretty. I should have got that one because I have a transition. It looks really pretty, but I did get the color number 2. This is the inside. This is just the colors it's showing you in their beige color series, which is very, very pretty. This is going to be the hairline. Of course, you know, they have the transparent lace, and then this is going to be the back that's showing you the colors up close. So this unit, it is 350 to 400 degrees heat safe. And then, of course, you know, they have their, what is it called? Their HD lace. That is the transparent lace. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like. So it's almost like loose body waves. So that's what it's giving me. The unit is very, very lightweight. Doesn't feel like a lot of hair. I love the color of the number 2. It's just giving like very pretty natural. It's like really, really natural. The hair feels so freaking pretty. It feels like it's like the human hair mix, but it says that it's just premium fiber, but it feels really, really nice and pretty. I freaking love it. So the inside of the cap is going to be your 2 combs that are going to be right here by your parting space, and then you do have the comb leaf back, then you do have the adjustable straps. It does come with baby hairs, and you know the hairline is supposed to be pre-plucked for you. So, and this one, it looks pre-plucked across the hairline. Like, this is giving old Butta Lace back in the day. I don't know if y'all can see that. Let me see if I can fix the camera. Come on now. Can y'all see that? You see that hairline? Like, this is giving back in the day hairline. Flawless. That's flawless right there. This is what Butta Laces used to look like. Okay, so this is what the unit looks like. As you can see, it lays like pretty flat. It's like a little bulging right here, but this is what it looks like. Hairline is freaking flawless. Y'all see that hairline? And it goes all the way across, like, wow. The lace does go down from ear to ear. And then, oh, even right here, look at that. Even right here, it is plugged. And that be my problem with the Butta Laces. Wow. Okay, so this is what she is looking like. The hair, I am gonna say it does feel kind of thin. Like, my hair is like in 2 like cornrows, and then I have the back that's kind of pinned down. I'm gonna have to just take my hair and kind of cross it, but this is what the back feels like. I don't know if you can see the bulging, but this hair, it is like on the thin side. And this is how much hair you get pulled to the back. So this unit is very like lightweight, thin. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair at all. Like, this is how much you have if you put it in a ponytail. Very thin, very lightweight compared to the other one I just did, which was the, I forget what the name of it, but yeah, this one feels very, very thin. So with this unit, I'm freaking feeling like the hairline is like so freaking bomb. You can look at it off rip and like, girl, this right here install is like gonna be it. Like, the whole wig just looks freaking fire. Only thing about it, like I said, is the density, but we have not brushed this hair out, so I don't know what it's gonna look like, you know, when we get done or whatever. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead and do the ball cap method because it's giving scalp. You see the hairline? This hairline is giving freaking scalp, and I want you to see like this wig with the hairline and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead, get my hair kind of mowed down, get that brush down, get that ball cap method going on, and we are gonna go from there. So I'm taking my Milani 2-in-1 foundation concealer in the shade Amber. I'm gonna put that on the ball cap as well as on the lace on the wig. I usually use my Healthy Glow Radiance foundation. I don't know where it's at, so, and I think this is like my, I don't know if this is my first time or second time using this, but I usually don't use this. So I'm gonna go in with my Got to Be Glued in the black bottle. I'm gonna put a thin layer of this, and then I'm gonna go in with the spray. With this wig, you actually don't have to even glue it down because it is kind of fitting snug, and it did kind of lay flat. So that is what the hairline looks like. The hairline looks really, really good. It looks really, really good. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just do some of these baby hairs. I really don't know what I want to do, if I want to keep them or if I want them to like lay them down. But oh yeah, it'd probably be cute with some baby hairs. So I'm just gonna be taking this little wax stick that I do have, and I'm gonna put that on the front because I do want this right here to come up. I want that on both sides. Okay, and then I'm gonna go in with my concealer. This is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade Cafe. I'm just gonna put that in the parting space just to kind of define it a little bit more. It does already look good, but I do want it to come out. And then I'm gonna go on top with my powder, and it's gonna be the Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 362 Truffle. To set that powder, I go on top with the Got to Be Glue freezing spray. Just gonna take a comb and comb through it. So I'm just gonna take some moisturizer, just kind of help tame the hair down. So let's go ahead and get into this hair. So this is what it looks like. Like I said, it looks so freaking natural. The hair is very pretty. Like when you run your hands through it, it's like no tangling. I did get shedding, but I did also pluck the unit, so it could have been from that. But the hair looks so freaking pretty and natural. It looks so freaking pretty. My only thing is gonna be that for me is thin. So this is how much hair you have pulled to the front. I mean, it looks full, you know, like it looked full, but it's just a little bit too thin. So this is the hair pulled to the back. So that's what it looks like. I only have like hair moisturizer in it. I don't have like any gel and everything. So this is like the hair in its natural state. So that's why I say it's a little bit on the thin side, but I mean it's not heavy at all. This is like a great unit. Like if they would have came out with it in summertime, this is like a great unit because it's not heavy, it's lightweight, thin, it's not a lot of hair, and it still gives you like the bundle vibes because this unit is freaking pretty. It just is just thin. It's just thin. But other than that, hairline was good. Baby hairs are not too thick. Everything is fine. I think the part is a little bit off. I could have fixed my part, extended it a little bit better, but I don't care. Okay, I really don't care. I did do kind of like extra baby hairs with this unit just because it was curly. You don't have to do any baby hairs. You can plug them all out, or you can do what you want to do with them. But yeah, this is the unit. Really gorgeous unit. Like I said, very pretty, easy to put on. Just overall gorgeous. It's just a gorgeous unit. So, and girl, like it's trying to take my necklace away. Like this looks like beach waves, like beach body waves. And you see what I mean? Like this is all the hair. And I don't know what the back is giving. Let's see. So with this unit, you do like want to have your hair like flat, and I don't know if like my two little braids is like poking out. I guess I'll see it when I edit. But this is gonna be it for this unit. I will leave a link down below where you can purchase this unit at. Very beginner friendly, big hair friendly, goes from ear to ear, no tangling. It feels like it's human hair, it's synthetic. It's like an overall gorgeous unit. Like I said, the only thing is it's thin, but I don't know, it's not getting thin when you look at it. It's not even thin when you look at it, but it is kind of thin. So yeah, so I will leave a link on that where you can purchase this unit at. If you like this video, please do give me a thumbs up. Questions, comments I did not answer, those down below. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.